Hello everyone! Welcome to our first international travel vlog together. We are going to Taiwan! Samahan nyo kami sa trip na to. So, keep on watching! We are excited to share and explore their tourist destinations and night markets with you guys. Boarding time! So finally, boarding na. Nasa 1.5 hour ang biyahe to Taiwan. First time naman bumiyahe to Naiya and smooth naman ang process, especially sa immigration since dalawa lang kami nandun and siguro nasaktuhan lang namin na walang pila since maaga kami and that's like midnight.
So
ito na, tatry na namin yung luck namin. Lucky Land! This is Taiwan's Lucky Land. Make sure to register online to get a chance to win 5,000 NTD. Sadly, pareho kaming hindi nanalo. That's almost like 9,000 pesos guys. So, taasan nyo dapat luck nyo pag pupunta kayo dito. We are currently queuing sa ATM para mag-withdraw before kami lumabas sa airport and we used our GCash card and GoTime card. Donut, first food here in Taipei, or no, in Taoyuan Airport. Kasi we're going to train and we're going to Mitsui Outlet. Doon kami kakain ng lunch. Going to MRT. So, pa-left ay... Ito yung mga locker. 40 NTD? 3 hours? Easy fly. MRT airport line going to Linku station. Okay. Ikaw ang navigator. Ayun o, okay pala may ulan. Eh, biglang silipon. Ito na yan! Oo. Let's eat na. Yay! We are here at Gekatsu Motomura, a Japanese restaurant that is famous for cooking Wagyu beef cutlets on a heated stone pot. We highly recommend eating here because of the unique experience. It's worth the try guys. Kinda pricey but the meal includes only side dishes and super tender ng beef katsu. Luckily, walang pila nung nagpunta kami. It was perfect. And super nakarami kami as in busog sa first meal dito sa Taiwan. Right after our lunch, nag-bus naman kami going to our hotel. It's a 30-minute ride from Mitsui Outlet. It's actually raining here in Taipei, so malamig ang weather. Nasa 19 to 20 degrees, parang nasa aircon. And after namin mag-check-in, we went out to go to the Baoan Temple, Ximending Walking District, and Ningxia Night Market. So I'll just do separate vlog for the foods we eat here in Taiwan. Tag-ulan. Oo nga, baka kala nila offer natin sa... This is the enchanting Baoan Temple with exquisite craftsmanship is one of the oldest temples in Taipei. It is dedicated to the worship of Baoan Dadi or the deity of medicine and health. It houses a lot of deities and Buddha. Baoan was awarded UNESCO Asia Pacific Heritage Award for Culture Conservation. We spent literally an hour here admiring the temples and the architectures, plus first 500 shots of pictures, of course. Pag galing ka sa MRT, yan ang ano mo. Yan, yung lalabasan mo para diretso ka na yan, yung rainbow mo. Ano. This is the vibrant Ximending at night. Super fun, dami food, pwedeng mag late night snacks at bars dito. It's also a busy shopping center. Ang energetic ng neighborhood na to. Kahit umuulan, marami turista at locals. Definitely a must-visit place in Taipei. Of course, we have to try the most famous milk tea here, which is the Shifu Tang. We also tried their Xiaolongbao, and our verdict will be on our next vlog. Yummy! Tasteless! Yung yellow nga, doggy. Ayoko na. Ano daw to? Filter? Ayan. Sa tingin mo. Ha? O, gusto mo?
Park mo na tayo.
May park ko pa talaga. This is Ningxia Night Market. It's one of the oldest night markets here in Taipei. This well-known night market is located in Datong District. The place is a bit small with full of authentic Taiwanese street food and snacks. All kinds of foods and fruits are also here. I love their Taiwanese sausage here, guys. Also, hindi crowded that time because it's raining and late na kami nagpunta. I love that it's just walking distance sa hotel namin. A must-visit night market in Taipei for foodie adventures.
Waiting for the bus. Parang tagal na. Ay, hindi. May stoplight kasi. Pupunta tayo sa Yonghe Soy Milk King for breakfast. Before Kluk Tour. Yay! Medyo malakas din yung rain, no? Hindi siya yung parang kagabi na mahina-hina. Teka, amin ko yung hood ko. Ito na ata yung love? Hindi pa ba? Ay, hindi pala kainan. Baka same lang tayo. Oh, same lang tayo eh. Here at Yonghe Soy Milk Tea. Okay, dim sum. Dami. Madulas. Ayan, oh love, oh. Scallion pancake. Ay, scallion pancake pa ba tayo?
Oil. Sarap nga.
Pero feeling ko yan yun. Yung mga nakikita natin sa ano. Yung matanda, oh. Ay, parang cinema nila pala to. Ay, show. Ay, ito na Pop Mart. Shit, utang! What you think? What you think? Parang gusto ko video. Danan lang? Shinputang. Okay, check natin. Baka bigla may dumaan. Because, ayan. Lamig to. Yung bariya ko na lang. 3. We'll try the food dito sa Ximending Walking District. Shinputang. Sheshe.
40?
Sheshe. Dito tayo daan daw. Baka. Alin?
Yung pinapakita ko natin. Palipat-lipat lang tayo.
Baka nga. Istas. Subuan mo ako. Amin scallion. Ah, ito nga siguro yun, yung sinasabi mo. 3 for 40. Sino? Huh? Yummy siya. Oh yeah, mayroon. On our way to cook. What?
Yung sa ano?
Cake?
Video. Yung background.
Ah.
We joined the Basque Look Tour for our North Coast day trip para hindi hassle for us and pwede magpahinga sa bus without thinking na baka lumagpas or whatsoever. We chose the night tour in Jufen because I want to see the lanterns lit. Sobrang bait, friendly, and accommodating ng tour guide namin. Special thanks to Sir Kent for sharing lots of tips and infos to this trip.
Alright, so that means the younger one. You can take photo right over there also.
Oo nga, no? Pwede rin. Papicture
Ah,
lang.
sige.
Queen's Head too.
We are here at ELU Geo Park, famous for its rock formations, especially the Queen's Head, that resembles the bust of Queen Elizabeth. It features all sorts of strange-looking rocks like a landscape of honeycomb and mushroom rocks, eroded by the sea. So nakakamangha talaga ang nature.
At pala solo tayo sa payong.
Sabi sa'yo, bumili mo pa.
Ba't kasi wala ka payong?
Sabi mo eh, nagagalit ka pa nga. The Queen's Nose. Capturing yellow hues.
So super windy dito guys, especially pag maulan, super lamig. Cause it's by the sea lang. So talagang ma-feel mo and maamoy mo yung ocean beside you. Sobrang lakas ng ulan at hangin, basang-basa kami. So hindi na kami nakapunta pa sa ibang rock formations dahil hindi ko na kaya sumugod sa ulan. Bumili kami raincoat sa 7-Eleven and just decided to go to the farmer's market instead to buy pasalubongs. You'll find lots of murang pasalubongs here at farmer's market, especially mga dried seafoods. You'll also get to try free taste, as in bubusugin nila kayo guys. So, get ready na lang. We are now here at Shifen Old Street in Pingxi, one of the most popular tourist destinations in Taiwan. Famous for its old narrow lane railway and sky lanterns. Writing our wishes on lantern, eating stuffed rice chicken wing, and peanut roll ice cream are one of the highlights to this trip. The rain never stopped us launching wish-filled lantern into the sky. Nag-enjoy kami magsulat. Also, less hassle na rin para sa amin bumili ng food kasi si Sir Kent, our tour guide, nag-offer na siya sa bus bumili ng food namin. So, it's up to you if papasabay ka ba or bibili ka on your own. In-avail na namin para hindi na kami pumila pa and mag-enjoy na lang magsulat and pictures.
Pare-pareho yung lasa. Alam mo yung... Sa Rauhe kaya may ganyan.
Huwag kang mapak sa bato. Sakit sa paa. Ito ganda dito.
Naamoy ko na naman ng sausage, oh.
Naamoy ko yung naamoy mo. Emerald.
This is Shifen Golden Waterfall, just 5 to 10 minutes ride from Shifen Old Street. As you can see, malakas ang bagsak ng tubig at color brown because of the heavy rain. Pero kahit na umuulan, we still want to explore the place. The walk includes some stairs and observation deck, so be prepared sa pag-akyat and pagbaba dito. Klook will give you 50 minutes to explore the area. So, dapat aware pa rin kayo sa time nyo since malawak yung place na to.
Yung bridge.
This is the magical Jiufen at night. The enchanting and charming mountain town in Taiwan is like a real-life Spirited Away. It's known for its narrow alleyways with lanterns lit at night, tea houses, street food, and souvenir shops. You can also see the stunning view of the coastline. Sir Ken, our tour guide, told us that this used to be the center of gold mining. So marami gold dito, guys. This mountaintop village offers a blend of history, stunning views, and delicious Taiwanese foodies. Definitely the highlight of our North Coast travel. Sobrang worth it.
Taoyuan is now the two place here. Online, have you seen that?
So we're going to Rauhe. Take kami ng bus. Ano to? Ay! Hindi lang siya car-repor.
Parang mga...
Malay mo! Pwede! Malay mo may mura. Again? O doon dapat tayo tatawid. Ay, yung 50. Dito ba yung 50? Ay, Songshan. Ayan, 3 minutes na lang. Rauhe. natin, walang pila.
Ending our day at Rauhe Night Market. It's a popular attraction in Taipei, known for its vibrant nightlife and street food. It's set up with one lane of food stalls going up and one lane going back. It's less crowded at this time because super late na kami nagpunta. So guys, abangan nyo na lang compilation of our foodies on our next vlogs.
Stingkit to, bulok.
Trying stinky too. Last train, right? Last train. Last stop, basta 12 AM na. Last get. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and joining our first part of our Taiwan travel. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!